Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am gonna tell you about Sony Xperia 1 2. In this video I am gonna also tell you the detailed price of Sony Xperia and upcoming price of Sony Xperia and also expected price of Sony Xperia and the official warranty given by the company, yes or no. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the further notification of my video. So let's get start the video. Here we have gonna tell you about the detailed specification of Sony Xperia 1. Here we have built-in quantity of OS Android 10 OS, dimension 165.1 into 71.1 into 76 mm, weight 182 gram, SIM, hybrid SIM, dual standby nano SIM. Color black, purple. Here we have in frequency 2G band SIM1 GSM 850 900 1800 1900. SIM2 GSM 850 900 1800 1900. 3G band HSBPA 850 900 1900 2100, and there also support 4G band. Here we have in processor CPU octa-core 1 into 2.84 GHz plus 3 into 2.42 GHz plus 4 into 1.8 GHz. Chipset Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865 7nm plus. GPU Adreno 650. Here we have in display of technology OLED capacitive touchscreen 16 color multi-touch. Size 6.5 inches. Resolution 1644 into 3840 pixel, 643 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 6. Extra features DSL P3, 100% SDR-BT 2020 90 Hz. Here we have in memory built-in 256 GB, built-in 8 GB RAM. Card micro SD card support up to 512 GB. Here we have in camera main quad camera. Here features geotagging, flash focus, face by smile detection, SDR, eye tracking panorama front, 8 megapixel. Connectivity. Here we have in connectivity WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11, Wi-Fi direct DRNA hotspot, Bluetooth V 5.0, GPS, GPS port, and GLONASS BDS radio. Radio, FM radio, USB 3.1, NFCS, data GPRS, H3G, 4G, and 5G also capable. Here we have in features sensor, accelerometer, barometer, color spectrum, compass, fingerprint, gyro, proximity, audio 3.5 mm, audio jack, stereo speaker, browser, HTML5, messaging, SMS, trend view, email, pushmail, OEM, games, built-in plus downloadable, torch, yes, extra, dust by water resistant, glass friend, document viewer, photo by video editor. Here we have in battery of capacity, LiPo non-removable, 4000 mAh fast battery charging, USB power delivery. Here we have in price in rupees will be coming soon, but the expected price is 85,999. This is Pakistan expected price, and so I hope you can like this video, subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.